Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if today is your very first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel once again. Yeah, as you can see clearly on my chart, let me, okay, this was Monday, 5th August. This kind of state where the case is was Monday, 5th August. So the of last week, good money to drop all the way to this zone to hit this trend line, as you can see over here. And on Thursday, gold started moving up and gold started moving up. So as you can see over here, today is Monday and gold managed to break the resistance zone over here. And as you can see, where price is currently at now. So what I'm seeing on gold now is, let me go to the 4 hour time frame so that we see things clearly over there. I drew another trend line over here. As you can see, price managed to touch it one, two, in the third one. So what I'm seeing on gold here is that the trend of gold has changed now, and gold is going to go up to 2,460. So gold might drop to this zone, this trend line over here, and the resistance zone over here, the resistance line. So gold will drop to this zone, then will bounce back, gather momentum, bounce back to 2,460. So let me put, so as I said, gold will come to this zone, as you can see over here. They move all the way to 2,460. So any buy that you see on the market is the best opportunity for you. So what you should be looking out for this day, which is 20, which is on 12th of August, you should be looking out for buy opportunities on gold. So any sell opportunity that you see on the market is an opportunity for you to buy. It's an retracement in the market that will help you to make some profit. So any sell opportunity is an opportunity for you to buy. As you can see, gold will come to this zone, then we'll bounce back to 2,460. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.